My electric lute, if you would. So what did you think? Wasn't this great? The beginning, the middle, the end. But it's not the end, it's an everyday thing, protecting nature and our planetary friends. We all share a connection to this awesome splendor. Tally-ho, this nature wonderland. For the love of nature, we sing out this song. We pledge to defend you, the weak and the strong. Every day, every way, we'll help you along. Tally-ho, this nature wonderland.
From beaches of sand to the high mountain peaks, waterfalls and rivers, burbling creeks.
Wherever you live, whatever you do, protect the beauty that nature shares with you. Take a look around at the miracle of it all. Tally-ho, this nature wonderland.
From grasslands and forests, oceans and lakes, deserts and tundras, your favorite place.
Rainforests and meadows, do whatever it takes to keep it all thriving, to keep our pals safe. For the love of nature, we sing out this song. We pledge to defend you, the weak and the strong. Every day, every way, we'll help you along. Tally-ho, this nature wonderland. Onward and onward to one and to all.